So let's say I have a data in all these tabs like this, and I want to copy all this data to the summary sheet. How to do such things in Google Sheet? But here is the catch, that this data may get updated every day in each tab. Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. My name is Vishal, and in today's video I will show you how you can copy the data from all these tabs to the summary sheet using a one single formula. So let's get started with the video. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel. Now let's move to the solution. To copy the data from all these tabs, we have a one traditional way, like we have to simply copy this data and we have to paste it in the summary tab. But let's say the data in all these tabs are getting updated every day. In that way, the copy paste won't work. So for that, we have to use the simple formula, which is a VSTACK. How to use the VSTACK? First, we have to type here equal to, then type VSTACK. First argument here is the range. For the range, we have to select our complete range. I will select the blank cells also, because there could be a chance that we are updating the data in these rows also. In the similar way, we have to select the range from the second tab, and then we have to select the range from the third tab also, and then from the fourth tab also, and then press the enter button. Now you can see we are getting the data from all the tabs, but if you see, we are getting here the blank rows also, because we have selected the blank rows also. Now to remove or ignore the blank rows, what we need to do is we have to use here the query function. To use a query function, what we need to do is we have to simply type here query, and here the first argument is data. So data we are already getting using the VStack. Now we have to simply press the comma. Now here the second argument is query. In the query, we have to mention select all the data. For the all, we have to use the asterisk sign. Then we have to give here the condition where column 1 is not null, and then close the bracket. Now you can see we are getting the data from all these tabs in the summary tab. So now let's say I am adding a new entry in the Q1 2024. For that, what I have to do is I have to give here the employee name as a testing, and the department is also testing, and for the sales I will just mention these numbers. Now if we go to the summary page, you can see in the row number 7 the new entry has been added with the name of testing. So this is how you can smartly copy the data from all the different tabs or the sheet to the one sheet. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to Extra Dose. Thank you so much for watching.